With over 60 years of thermoplastic polyurethane innovation, Lubrizol Engineered Polymers has been helping customers solve some of their toughest performance challenges through our material science expertise. We have found the key to customer success is through partnership. By being a global company with R&D labs and manufacturing sites in key strategic areas around the globe, we can provide tailored end-to-end solutions and regional support for our customers, all while keeping an eye on the future as we research and develop sustainable materials and technologies according to the highest safety standards. We support our customers in developing differentiated, high-value products for their customers. Lubrizol experts dedicate time to understanding the specific application needs of our customers and use market insights to deliver the best solutions. We have a team of experts that work with you from concept to commercialization, including R&D and technical subject matter experts who are there to assist you with your needs, whether these relate to design, prototyping, production, or customer support. Ultimately, the story of Lubrizol Engineered Polymers is a rich history of solving challenges through partnerships that has fostered into decades of product innovation. And so, we have created an ecosystem of partners throughout the value chain who share a vision to achieve the same objective. Satisfied customers who rely on our solutions. Partnerships backed by our vision of advancing materials and elevating performance. Advancing materials, looking to the future, anticipating market demands and material requirements in a world which is becoming more environmentally conscious and demanding. Because in the end, materials are our core. Specifications are important, and we utilize our expertise to fine-tune and improve every one of our product offerings to achieve high performance in each end application. And with our focus on end-use application development, our capabilities go beyond just supplying a product. Elevating performance. We aim to excel. Innovation is our passion. This is what has driven us to be pioneers in the development of new materials and continuous improvement to adapt to new needs, with an emphasis on quality and sustainable innovation. At Lubrizol, we believe that the whole is more important than the sum of its parts. A team is much more than a group of people working together. Come and experience it yourself. Let's strive to go above and beyond together.